I'm Marcie Pitt-Catsouphes, and I'm from Boston College, and Boston College has been a Changemaker campus since spring of 2013. Now, research has been fundamental from the beginning of our initiative, that we wanted to embark on our research agenda for several reasons. First, we felt that we needed to start documenting what's working, with whom, when, and what the outcomes are. You know, oftentimes we think of the impact at the end of a project, and so in part for us it was a way to guide what we're doing, to be sure that what we're presenting to the students and the way we're working with our external community partners is really the most effective way. But I think, the second reason that we've made a commitment to research is very much along the lines of the consumer, the user and design there, is that we want to involve the community groups so that they're gathering their own information as they prototype, as they reprototype, and can make some good decisions about how they want to move forward. At Boston College we have several different research projects going on, and one is as different from another. One of the projects we just completed is we've done some interviews with the leaders of about 24 social service organizations that have, under the radar screen, been doing social innovation, and we wanted to lift those up and understand the experiences they've had and figure out a little bit how they're thinking of social innovation and how they're approaching it. A second project that we're doing is that we gather information at various points as we're implementing our social innovation lab, so that from the participants we want to understand the experience, the impact on them as people, on their organizations, and on the projects that they're developing. And we feed that information back to them so that they really then are the owners of the information and the experience. And the last project we're doing is a much more traditional academic research, but we're partnering with another organization that provides some awards to social entrepreneurs, and they're looking at the impact of the award experience and whether or not the extent to which that is really helping social entrepreneurs move forward with their own projects. Actually, for the Social Innovation Lab, we gather data for every cohort, and we ask a number of different questions. We want them to assess the readiness for their own organization for innovation. That's very useful information for the organizations because it acts as a diagnostic. Oftentimes we think of social innovation as being outside the context of the organization, and so as the agencies we're working with start down the path of social innovation, they can understand strengths and weaknesses and things that they might want to work on so that they're able to ensure the highest likelihood for success. Boston College is a Changemaker campus because it so deeply believes in social justice, and I think the students and faculty see social innovation as not only a new approach, but as an approach that can be so effective as they move forward and try to reach those goals.